Hey girls, so I think this is my first time to show the inside of our room. I'm so embarrassed, but yeah, this is the before. Actually, not really the before, because the before of this one, we have a lot of boxes. This is the reason why I am so busy, because I unpack it, and some of it, well, majority of this one are my husband's clothes, and my husband ordered this rock and he already assembled it. I'm so happy because we can finally put my clothes. My things are laying down the floor and it's actually kind of cluttered, so I'm excited for this one. He ordered it from Amazon and it arrived yesterday, so yeah, I'm grateful. So thank you, hubby. So these two racks are mine. He ordered two for him as well, so I think he will get rid of this one and place his two racks here because mine would be here. So yeah. Baby wins. It's been a battle, but she won.
Put a white flag and surrender.
I know, right? Just let her do what she wants.
Let her do what she do. I'm familiar with that one.
She's been nibbling that, but I always take it away from her because, of course, it's a nice fake plant. It's the priceless happiness.
See, that's what I gotta look at it as all the time.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
My sister Angel.
Yes. What's this again?
Pork and sauerkraut, kibasi, and hot dogs.
Yeah, prepared and made by my sister Angel. Yum! Happy New Year, guys! And mashed potato. Yum! Bon appetit! Baby, come on. Jesus. Baby. Baby. Look at baby. Yeah. Even if nandito na tayo sa Pennsylvania, Ray is still giving us some gifts. Ayan, meron tayong Merry Christmas card and then 4 pieces of this mama noodles. I have not tried this one. And then this is the famous Mamacita's flavored cooking mix. We have the adobo, menudo afritada, and sinigang sa sampalok mix. I don't know if they're gonna like this. And then, of course, Jufran banana sauce and super chili sauce, which is very famous. And meron din tayong sunflower crackers, mango flavor, Japanese style taro mochi, and super golden bihon cornstarch sticks. There. Thank you so much, Ray! Meron din tayong mga pinamili dito. Si Hubby, punta siya ng Walmart. Kasalukuyang ako ay naglalaba kanina pa. Pero, yeah. Jada. So cute, Jada. Sierra. Ayan, dumating yung box. Actually, 4 yan. Binuksan ko na yung isa. Yes, Jada. Look, girls, pina-order ko kay Happy itong BISSELL little green na vacuum. Wet and dry siya and I'm so excited. Kahapon lang niya in-order sa Amazon and then natanggap na namin ngayon. So, ayan. Yay! Thank you so much, Hubby. For every purchase saves pets. Kaya, ito yung pinili ko. And let's open. Yay! Ta-da! So this is the accessories and the brush and I think the brush holder. Oh, they gave us this one, spot and stain remover, which is good. Another holder. Ooh, we also have this. We have the manual. Maganda dito kasi pwede siya, eligible siya for return and refund. Tapos may warranty pa. So, yes, I'm so excited. This is a smaller version of their other vacuums, but I chose this one because space saving and at the same time value for money for me ha. 9.6 pounds ata to yung bigat niya overall. Siyempre, bagong lahat, kailangan nating picturean and then we are gonna read the manual para lang sure. Alright? This is what I'm gonna clean first. This is my sofa area. As you can see, it's kind of dirty and there's a lot of dog fur and cat's fur. So what I'm gonna do, since I read the manual, you really have to vacuum it, or you can actually manually scrub it to get rid of the dog furs or cat's fur because you don't want that to get clogged. It's her siesta time and Jada as well. Girls, ayan na, nalinis ko na yung couch na to. Yan na yung after natin. I'm so happy because wala na siyang amoy. Malinis na talaga siya. Wala na ring balahibo dyan kasi binacuum ko din yan. So, yan. Tapos, ito naman, pinapatuyo ko na lang. Yan, inuna ko na rin to. Tapos, bukas na lang yun kasi walang uupuan. 'Di ba? Pero yan, malinis na siya. Before, after. Me and Chopper are now close. No, Chopper. Oh, here comes mine. BLT and Bake Mac. Yum. Clear ko yung pathways kasi I'm on a mission. Kasi nawawala yung susi ng truck ni Hubby. So, basang-basa na pala yung face mask ko, girls. Nakakatuwa. Pero, hello! It's January 7 today. First time ko maka-experience ng snow dito. Ang pangit pala ng itsura pagbasa dito. But anyway, ayan. I'm on a mission para hanapin yung susi. Pero at the same time, ina-enjoy ko na lang. Kasi syempre, diba, girls, pag nakatira ka sa Pilipinas o sa mga tropical country, wala daw snow. So, might as well. I-enjoy natin. Ayan, girls. Ito na yung in-order namin sa Amazon. Ornament storage box para nga dito sa ating Christmas tree. And then, this is the 3 storage bag. Fits 9 feet trees. Tignan natin later kung okay ba siya. Tapos ko na rin linisin yung dito. Pero yung ditong part, nakalimutan ko siyang linisin. Tapos kanina umaga, nag-modding si Hubby. Kaya ganyan yung wall. Yan, pinapatuyo ko na lang. Nilinis ko din to. Pero may nakita na akong stain. Ayan may umihi. Sino sa inyong dalawa? So, ayan, girls. Nag-assemble ako ng aming dresser. Tig-isa kami ni Hubbies. So, ito akin, ito sa kanya. Kita nyo naman, gulo pa ng gamit namin, diba? Pero, ang saya lang kasi made of steel, tapos wood. And then, ayan. So, ganito kasi siya, girls. Ito yung before niya. Nakabalot siya ng ganito. Teka, bubuksan ko ha. Ganyan siya sa loob. Maganda naman yung pagkakabalot na yan. Individually wrapped. Magkano lang ba to? $41. Meron tayong manual. Pangatlong manual na yan. Tapos yan, handle. Maganda nung fabric. Parang jeans. Tsaka makapal siya. Ayusin ko lang to. And then, yun lang. Yan na kasi yung after. Look at baby. She has her haircut yesterday. Aww, hi baby. She's so cute. Kamukha na niya to. Look baby, this is you. And then, ito pala yung bago naming bed. Yay, I'm so happy because yung ginagamit naming bed before is air mattress bed. Okay naman siya for temporary use, pero for longer use, medyo masakit na siya sa katawan. Tapos, padala sa akin si Miss Connie. Thank you so much, Miss Connie. So, this box is very beautiful. Like, you can store a lot of things here. Those who seek beauty will find it. I like it. And so we have two, I think, notebooks. Joy to the world. It's nice. There is like a quotes or message or a story. And then Christ is born. For unto you is born this day a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And then she asked me before what's my favorite color. And I said it's blue and white, silver or gray. And this is what she gave me. I'm so thrilled and excited. Look, it is made with love and I super appreciate it. So this is an angel. Cute. And then we have a scarf. So pretty. I like the combination. And then we have gloves. Oh my goodness, I love it. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And then we also have this one. It's like a headband, right? And then I think this one is a keychain or a bag tag. Soaps with scrubbies. Yeah, you can tell that she put a lot of efforts. And then that's the one. Sewing knits and trims. Ah, there. You can follow her. Connie Copenhaver. We also have a book here. Doodle stitching. Ah, I like it. Hala, I super love it. Wow. When I was a kid, I've been doing a lot of these things. But of course, we don't have enough money to buy some of the materials. So, you know, I'm just using recycled stuff. But right now, this is really special. It brings back so much memories. And then she also gave me this one. Oh, cute. Joy. Hang it on your wall or on your door, window, anywhere you want. And then we also have this embroidery hoop. Oh, that's how you do it. I see. She even made me a pattern. Thank you so much. This is useful. And then lastly, we have here this one, a rug. And this rug is perfect because it has blue, brown, and it complements our bed. And we know, we're gonna put it here or there. Thank you so much, Miss Connie. I super appreciate it. Kahapon pala, in-order ko to sa Amazon. Dumating na rin siya. Maganda to kasi collapsible siya na fabric bin. Para siyang ganun. Pero may cover siya. Dito ko nilagay mga damit ni hubby, mga t-shirts niya. 6 na piraso. Ang ganda niya, as in, ganyan siya, oh. Tapos, may handle na siya. $9 for 3 pieces. Kasi originally, parang nasa $15, something like that. Tapos, together with that, in-order ko rin yung steamer for ironing clothes. Wait lang. Medyo magulo pa yung aking area. Pero ito siya, girls. Steamer siya. Maliit lang. $19. In fairness ha, nakakatanggal talaga siya ng wrinkles and na paplansya niya or nasi-steam niya ng maayos yung damit. that spoiled baby. And then, gumawa si hubby ng salad. So, ayan yung kanya. Ito daw akin. Early dinner. So, hindi daw niya alam kung anong dressing. So, he brought balsamic and Asian toasted sesame. Favorite ko kasi yung dalawang dressing yan. So, sabi ko, combination of the two. So, yum! Hi, girls! Hello! Ayan. Ngayon na lang uli ako nakapag-vlog ng ganito. Kasi, usually, di ba, yung sa previous clips ko, puros, hindi ko pinapakita yung mukha ko. Anyway, today is January 22. I think, 3 o'clock PM na. Tapos, I decided na full glam makeup tayo ngayon. And nagsusnow pa rin ngayon. As you can see, yung outfit ko. Ayan. Buti na lang, meron akong ganito kahaba na coat. Kasi very useful siya. Tapos, yan, syempre, may gloves tayo. Pero yung manipis lang kasi product layout ako kanina. Wala lang, these past few weeks, nagkasakit kami actually. I think Omicron. Kaya hindi ako makapag-update talaga sa inyo dahil syempre sobrang bagsak. Iba talaga pag tinamaan ka ng sakit. Plus the fact yung weather dito, hindi siya nakakatulong. Kasi syempre, yun nga parang at that time, hindi namin masabi kung Omicron ba or COVID or whatever. Kasi sabi ni hubby, yung parang cough, flu, cold, natural na yan dito sa Pennsylvania, lalo na pag winter. Parang parehas lang yung symptoms. So ako, 90% okay na ako. Si hubby, medyo may sakit ng kontes, yung mga nasa 70% okay. And then, yung kapatid din niya, tinamaan din. So, talagang quarantine din kami. Yun dito, meron tayong train tracks dyan. May train na dumadaan dyan every 3 hours ata. Tapos, katabi ng train, yung, ano bang river yun? Lalagay ko dito sa screen yung name ng river. Ayan. Super lamig, girl, as in. Hindi ko alam kung anong temperature right now. Pero so far, so good. I like it here. Tahimik. Alam mo yun, nasa countryside kami. Kaya wala masyadong tao. Yun lang, girls. Natuwa lang ako sa aking makeup actually. Kasi sabi ko, marunong pa ba ako mag-makeup ng ganito? And okay naman pala. So yun. Balikan ko na lang kayo later. Ayan, girls. So, snow pa din. Tignan nyo, ito si Jada Bells. Gusto niyang pumasok dito sa room. Kasi si baby talaga ang princess dito sa amin. Woo! Baby! Nalaman ko na siya ay ragdoll. Tapos yung tawag dyan is lion cat. Si Jada, hindi ko alam anong breed siya. Gusto niya lagi pumapasok. Tapos yung mata niya ganyan. Nakakatawa. Si baby. Gumawa ako ng laruan nila. Hindi ako mahilig sa pusa, pero ayan, napamahal na ako. Hindi ako mahilig sa pigeons dati, pero wala no choice. Pero alam mo yun, napapamahal ako sa mga animals. So yung higaan ni baby, kamukha niya talaga. Ito, ginawa ko din itong laruan. Laro kayo dyan. Igisa kayo. Bango to si baby Wala siyang amoy. Mabait siya, hindi siya clingy, hindi siya maingay, hindi siya pasaway. Ito si Jada may pagkapasaway pa to Makulit to Kaya I love baby. Sige, laro-laro muna kayo dyan. Tapos, girls, nagsusnow na naman. May snowstorm daw kami. Oh my goodness. Mga 1 to 3 inches daw yung kapal ng snow natin.